The roof store is fortunate to have a nationwide customer that places their orders with us, and it gets sent to different states. They're now selling in the Texas territory in Dallas, and their salespeople were able to make 4 sales immediately on the same block. So we've got 505 Longhorn, 509 Longhorn, 510 Longhorn, and 500 Longhorn. And we've got all the drip edge. And since now this customer didn't buy the shingles for these jobs because the homeowners association required a specific type of shingles, and so they did order. They usually order, like this company usually orders the shingles from us, but in this case they only ordered the accessories. It's going out tomorrow, and normally one order like this would only go to one address, but because it's one of our special customers that orders extremely frequently throughout the country, then we're going to make this exception because we can, and it's part of our local territory. So we will deliver with the roof store truck to the 4 different addresses, even though it's just one order.